Good morning and welcome to Class Learners. Today we discuss about the important topic of art and drama in education, that is a folk drama of Rajasthan. So Rajasthan is a hub of folk art, theatre, music, dance and craft. The tribal culture of Rajasthan has done much to preserve and nurture the folk theatre tradition of Rajasthan. So we just discussed different types of the theatre or the drama related to the culture of the Rajasthan, that is called as a folk culture or folk drama. So important type of these are including the swang, far, rammat, nautanki, bhavai and gavri, one by one. So we start with the khayal theatre emerged near about 18th century and remained some in coming 200 years. The subject of Khayal is usually mythological stories on ancient episode. Here is covered the mythological stories and the ancient episode. Due to this delivery of culture of Rajasthan Khayal, uh, culture of the Rajasthan of Khayal theatre different forms in the name of the city and acting style. So there is a different name and different style. 1 minute I just show select the pan and show you. Yes, like Kuchaman Khayal, Kuchaman City Khayal, Shekawati Khayal, Jaipuri Khayal, like this. They have different name according their styles and according to their languages and the community. So different types of the khayal in the Rajasthan is a famous type of the folk drama, and it's a different types of the mythological stories present by this. That is one of famous type of the Rajasthani culture present by the Rajasthan culture, that is the khayal. Then we come to the next one, that is the tamasha. So tamasha is a folk drama begin in Jaipur and started by the Maharaja Pratap Singh for the first time. The Bhatt family is a famous family just shown by the this type of the dramas. So the Bhatt family of Jaipur included Jaipuri Khayal and Drupad Gaiki. It's a style of singing used in the tamasha theatre. The dialogue of tamasha are poetic in nature and predominantly includes music and dance and singing. So tamasha is performed in an open stage called akhada. They perform is a open stage and it's called as a akhada. So we come to the next one after the khayal and tamasha. The next one is the rammat. Rammat is a type of drama before 140 years ago in Bikaner region taught a folk poetry competition. It's like a competition type of drama held in before 140 years and famous in the region of Rajasthan. The famous characters of this playing this drama is known as a khelar. Devotional songs in the praise of Ramdev ji is usually sung before the starting the Ramat. When they start the Ramat, they song the devotional songs for the Ramdev ji, and the main instrument, we can say the local instrument used here is the nagada and the dholak in the Ramat. And the song of this drama are mainly connected with the Chaumasa, rainy season, Lavani and Ganpati Vandana. So these type of drama is mostly performed in Bikaner, Jaisalmer and Phalodi region. So famous for the Bikaner, Jaisalmer and Phalodi region. Then come to the next one known as a Fard. Fard is a life sketch of some Lok Devta depicted on a cloth. So the story is shown in a cloth and some actors play the drama and shown the story in a singing or in a dancing form. It's a famous in the area of Chittor, Udaipur, and this actor play this known as a Bhopa. And while reciting Fad, Bhopa plays a Jantar or Ravan Hatta is the musical instrument. The famous local instrument used at the play the drama is known as the Ravan Hatta musical instrument or the Jantar. The two instruments are very famous which used in the Fad type of dramas. Then we come to the next one is known as Swang. Swang theatre is considered its origin near about the 15th century, and Swang theatre has a good combination of dance, song, dialogues, mimicry and the presentation of dance drama. This performer is known as a Bharupia. The performers who just performed in this drama is known as a Behrupia. So we come to the next one, that is a very famous type of the folk drama is known as a Gavari. Gavari is a style of drama, or we can say is this presented by the Bhil of Mewar region. The Gavari is played as a part of festival that continues for 14 days. It means it's a continuously playing by the actors of different district of that were related to the tribal area, that is a Gavri, during the month of July and August. And hero of Gavri dance is an old man who is supposed to be incarnation of Shiva. So major themes of Gavri are Devi Ambar, Badhasha ki Savari, Banjara, Khadliya Bhoot, and the fight Lion and Pig. This is the famous type of drama played in the July and August month in the festival of Raksha Bandhan, and the monsoon season is there, and they played this one, that is the Bhavri, and played by the different actors in the Mewar region. So we come to the next one, that is the Nautanki. Nautanki is performed in the region of Bharatpur, Karoli, Dholpur, Alwar and Gangapur city. The story plot of the Nautanki is generally based upon the mythological, historical narration, folklores, romances, and contemporary socio-political issues. So it's related to the different types of the issue present by this drama, and very famous, known as a Nautanki. Here you can see in this pictures also, they just make up and dress up according to the that particular story and shows in this drama. So we come to the next one, that is a very famous type of the folk theatre or the drama is a Bhavai, and this is very similar to Swang folk theatre and considered to origin near about 13 to 14th century in religious verses. And Abdul Fazl also mentioned in his book and Aine Akbari regarding the Bhavai. So this type of this drama is defined in the Aine Akbari also, and Bhegaji was the father of the modern Bhavai in Rajasthan. So you just remember the name of Bhagaji was the father of modern Bhavai, and it is played in the near the areas in state near to the Gujarat border, and presented by the Bhopa and Bhopi, and very famous type of the Bhavai, major play written by this Shanta Gandhi, known as a Jasma Oden. Jasma Oden is a very famous Bhavai which presented or directed by the Shanta Gandhi ji. So these are the one of the major folk drama of Rajasthan, that is Bhavai. We come to the next one, that is a Gandharva. Gandharva are a resident of Mewar. Their themes are based upon Jain section, Ajanta Sundari and Main Sundaris are the two dramas performed in this style. So they two styles are very famous, is the Anjan Sundari and the Mana Sundari. Two related to this Gandharva famous type of drama. Then we come to the next one, is the last one related to the folk drama of Rajasthan, that is Ras Leela. So Ras Leela is a stage based upon the stories of Puranas. Leelas or acts of Krishna are performed. The main character is called the Rasdhar, who just played the main character in the story is known as a Rasdhar, and is related to the stories of Krishna, God Krishna. So these are the some important types of the folk drama of Rajasthan. I hope you well understand about these. It's a very interesting type of the topic related to our subject art and drama in education. So have a good day, and thanks to join this session. Thanks a lot.